Hello, I'm Ethan Brooks. How can I help you today?
Hi, Ethan. I run an AI SaaS app. What's the first process I should automate?
Start by automating repetitive tasks that consume significant time, such as data entry or report generation. Identify processes with high manual effort and low complexity, as these are often the easiest to automate and can yield immediate efficiency gains.
Got it, that makes sense. And which automation would give me the fastest ROI?
Begin by automating repetitive tasks, like data entry or report generation, to quickly enhance efficiency.
Thanks, Ethan. Really helpful. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Have a great day too. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out.
Hello, I am James Walker. How can I help you today?
James, for any growing business, what's the biggest financial mistake founders usually make?
One of the biggest financial mistakes founders often make is underestimating the importance of cash flow management. Many focus solely on revenue growth, while neglecting to ensure they have enough liquidity to cover operational expenses, leading to potential cash shortages. Additionally, failing to create a realistic budget can result in overspending and misallocation of resources, hindering long-term profitability.
Thanks, James. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Hello, I am Olivia Brown. How can I help you today?
Hi, Olivia. I'm getting traffic, but low conversions. What's wrong?
High traffic without conversions often indicates a disconnect between your audience's expectations and your offering. They may be interested but not convinced. To improve conversions, focus on aligning your messaging with their needs and enhancing the user experience to build trust and encourage action.
Hello, I am Emma Johnson. How can I help you today?
Emma, users join but don't stay. What's the UX issue?
Certainly, the US faces challenges related to social equity, healthcare accessibility, and economic disparity. These issues impact various demographics and require thoughtful, user-centric solutions to improve overall quality of life.
Thanks, Emma. That helps.
You're welcome. If you need any more assistance or have questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.
Hello, I am Ryan Foster. How can I help you today?
Ryan, my AI app isn't standing out. What's missing?
Your app may be lacking a clear and compelling value proposition that resonates with your target audience. Additionally, consider enhancing user experience and incorporating unique features that differentiate it from competitors in the market.
Interesting. So how would you reposition it to feel unique instantly?
To reposition your app, identify its core strengths and the specific pain points it addresses for users, then craft a narrative that highlights these aspects in a relatable way. To create an instant sense of uniqueness, incorporate distinctive visual branding, a memorable tagline, and exclusive features or benefits that set it apart from others in the marketplace.
Thanks, Ryan. That's clear. Have a wonderful day.
You're very welcome. Have a fantastic day, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need more help in the future.